Well, guys, I want to share the profit the bot made for me. So I have something around 1.17 Ether, which is around 17%. You can see the transaction that our bot made the internal transactions tab. As you can see here are the front run transactions that our bot made over the 10 hours. There are a total of 7 transactions. Now, if we calculate the sum profit minus gas fees, we get exactly 0.17 Ethereum. So I'll see you in 10 hours. All right, guys, let's see how much more we made. Oh, it's about 1.37 Ether. So basically, it took me about a day to gain my deposit by more than a third, something close to 40%, which isn't that bad. So the bot will continue to run until you press the withdrawal button. The bot will then exit the liquidity pool and will return back to your wallet. The Ethers you entered initially plus the profit.